Welcome to Car Vibes. The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro RS Z28 is a modern evolution of classic American muscle, blending performance heritage with futuristic design and tech. It's more aggressive, more refined, and more connected than ever before. Right from the first look, the Camaro makes a bold impression. The front end is sharper, featuring a newly designed grille that enhances airflow, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the car a piercing stare. The hood has deep sculpted lines, and air vents signal the powerful engine underneath. The Galaxy brown color on this model adds depth and luxury, changing shades subtly with the light and perfectly complementing the car's muscular stance. Moving along the side, the car sits low with pronounced fenders and side skirts that create a sense of movement even when parked. The RS Z28 badging adds character, reminding fans of its deep-rooted performance DNA. The 20-inch forged wheels and low-profile performance tires fill the arches perfectly, while the blacked-out mirrors and window trim enhance the aggressive profile. At the rear, the Z28 shows off with a bold rear diffuser, quad chrome-tipped exhausts, and a race-inspired rear spoiler. The LED taillights are redesigned with a dynamic lighting signature, giving the car a menacing look at night. Step inside, and the Camaro continues to impress. The cockpit is designed around the driver, with everything angled toward performance and comfort. The bucket seats are covered in premium leather with Z28 embroidery and offer strong bolstering for spirited driving. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in suede with contrast stitching, featuring paddle shifters and control buttons at your fingertips. The center console houses a customizable digital gauge cluster and an 11-inch infotainment display. The latest Chevrolet infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, navigation, and over-the-air updates. There's also a premium Bose sound system that delivers clean, powerful audio. The ambient lighting adds a subtle glow to the cabin, enhancing the overall sporty and high-tech vibe. Under the hood, the RS Z28 gets a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine, pushing out 500 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, with an optional 10-speed automatic for those who prefer ease over full control. The performance is sharp and responsive, with acceleration from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. The exhaust system is tuned to deliver a deep, roaring soundtrack that crackles and pops on downshifts. The chassis has been re-engineered for better rigidity, while the magnetic ride control and performance-tuned suspension keep the car stable and confident in corners. Brembo brakes offer strong stopping power, and the electronic limited-slip differential ensures traction in any driving mode. Driving this Camaro feels raw yet balanced. It handles with precision and offers a refined ride on the streets while delivering pure adrenaline on the track. It's not just a muscle car. It's a true performance machine that respects its legacy while embracing modern engineering. Whether you're carving mountain roads or just cruising in the city, it feels connected and engaging. As for pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro RS Z28 starts around $58,000, with fully loaded models going over $65,000 depending on options. For that price, you're getting a track-ready muscle car with premium features, iconic design, and a thrilling V8 experience that's becoming increasingly rare. The Camaro RS Z28 is a celebration of American power, designed for drivers who still value connection, noise, and raw energy behind the wheel. It's more than just a car, it's a statement.